Welcome in Tushar's Learning Bureau. I Tushar. Today I am going to explain you Chapter 1 Chemistry Matter in our Surroundings. So let's start. Hope you like the video.
You can pause the video and note down the notes side by side. Thank you.
Let's start Chapter 1 Matter in our Surroundings, Class 9. So it consists of three states: solid, liquid and gas. So it's the first page of NCERT. You have seen this. So basically, what is matter? Matter is something which occupies space and has mass and can be felt by any of the five senses and not including the sixth sense. Have you ever noticed why we should not use the sixth sense? As matter is not predictable. It can be only tasted, smelled and touched. So move to the next topic. So, what is the physical nature of matter? Physical nature of matter is that matter is made up of tiny particles called atom. Atom. What is atom? Atom is the tiny particle, the smallest particle existing in the universe. So, let's move to the next topic. So, this is a process to show how small are the particles of matter. So, a person has took 100 ml of water and put some crystals of potassium permanganate, and he had taken 10 ml of solution and put in other 100 ml of water, and he keep diluting. So color had been lighter, but the particles had been divisible. This shows how small are the particles of matter. So let's move to the next topic. So characteristics of particles of matter. First characteristic is First tell what is characteristics. Characteristics is the particular quality of a substance. So of matter, first characteristic is particle of matter has space between them. To show this particles of matter have space between them, I will show you one example. See, I have taken a glass with salt inside it. This will show you that particles of matter have space between them. So I will mix it and the water level will not rise. The salt will mix it in water and take the space which is empty between them. So see, I will mix it. So now this is dissolved. See, no water level has high. The space between the particles of matter have taken the place with sugar. So this is the example. So second characteristics of particles of matter is that particles of matter are continuously moving. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका अर्थ ये है कि जो मैटर है, जो उसके पार्टिकल्स है अंदर, वो कंटिन्यूसली मूव करते रहते हैं, स्पेशली गैस, एज गैस हैज द हाईएस्ट किनेटिक एनर्जी. सो आप सोच रहे होंगे किनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होता है? किनेटिक एनर्जी इज द एनर्जी possessed during motion. So I have one more example to show you. To show this characteristic, particle of matter are continuously moving. So pay attention. So see, I have an incessant stick with a matchstick. So I will first fire it, slash it. So see, this is the smoke. So see how it is fastly spreading. If you are standing in that corner, you will able to smell its fragrance. Wow, see how particles of matter are continuously moving. So wait a minute, I would count it. So the third characteristics of particles of matter is that particles of matter attract each other. इसका मतलब तो आपको समझ आ ही गया होगा कि जो मैटर के पार्टिकल्स हैं वो एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. Means if we assume two people are standing, if we take a unifying bond, if any people will break it, it is hard to break, but it is not impossible to break. So this satisfies the third characteristics of matter. So move to next topic. So it comes a new topic. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, I can give you. This is a solid. Yes? See, it's solid. So liquid, I can show you that there is water. Yes? And gas, you have seen in the incessant smoke. So Basically, there are three states of matter. Let's study further. So, we have a question. Can matter change its state? So, we give answer, yes. Matter can change its state as when we provide heat to solid and liquid, it changes their state. Like when we provide heat to solid, it changes to liquid. And when provide heat to liquid, it changes into gas. As when we decrease the temperature in liquid, it becomes solid. When you make ice. So let's move further. So this is the diagram. I want to show you that this is more understandable to you. See, melting of solid. When we provide heat, it melts into liquid. When we provide heat, it evaporates and becomes gas. As we decrease the temperature, it condenses into liquid. And liquid, when we decrease the temperature, it solidifies. That it becomes ice. This is deposition and sublimation. This I will show you in the next video. So let's further study. So, this is the characteristics of states of matter. We have studied characteristics of particles of matter, but it is states of matter. So see, first property is rigidity. This definition I will give you in next video, so please see it. I am telling you rigidity is the tendency of body to maintain its shape while subjugated to an external force. So solid, it is highly rigid. This meaning when you subjugate a higher force, it does not change its shape as it is rigid. Liquid are rigid but less compared to solids. Gases are not rigid as gases are compressible. See, we are moving our hand. No one is stopping it. So, compressibility is tendency of body to maintain its shape while subjugated to an external force. So, solid state is negligible. We cannot compress it. See. So see, the homeland is not pressing because this is solid. And we have seen you the negligible compressibility is with solid state. So liquid state, it has low compressibility than solid. But it is also negligible. It is said in book, but scientifically, you cannot compress water. So move to gaseous state. It is very high compressible. See, you can compress here. See, you cannot. You can. Okay. So next is fluidity. Fluidity is the tendency of body to flow. Solid can flow? No. Liquid can flow? Yes. Gases can flow very highly. See, gases are flowing. You cannot see them, but you can feel them. You are taking oxygen. Yeah. So, filling a gas container. Solids need a container? No. Liquids need a container and gases need a container. As we complete a vessel completely filled with gas. Shape. It has definite shape. Liquid, it has no definite shape. Gases have no definite shape. Kinetic energy, I tell you that kinetic energy is the energy possessed by body during motion. So, solids state has least kinetic energy. Liquid state has more kinetic energy than solids but less than gases. You can say moderate. Maximum kinetic energy is with gaseous state, as it is you have seen the agabatti. So, density. Solid state has higher density. You have seen now the coronavirus is there. No density is there. When there is a crowded place, all people are standing, you can see in a fish market. So the density is there. So in liquids, you can see no density, there is less density. But in gaseous, there is lowest density. Density is the mass per unit volume. So you can say solids have the highest, liquid have the moderate, and gases have the least. So let's move to further topic. Hope you have studied and understood it. So today this is the last topic of ours. Today it is the last topic of ours, but this is the last topic of our today, and in my next video I will teach you further this chapter, and in lecture 2 or 3 I will complete this, and then I will give you NCERT questions, extra questions. So last topic is Apart from I have told you three states: solid, liquid, gas. But further, we have two states more of matter. There is plasma and Bose instant condensate. तो आपके मन में आ रहा होगा प्लाज्मा क्या होता है? बॉडी वाला प्लाज्मा नहीं होता. Plasma is the super energetic particles existing in the atmosphere, and Bose-Einstein condensate is the coolest gas you cannot imagine. So, thank you. Hope you have enjoyed the video.
Rest of the chapter will be explained in the next video. If any doubt, please ask in the comment box.